Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a couple of bugs that we have in our application, and the first one is just as you see right here. We have a long number that gives us our result as 52, and that's not what we want to have. And so we're just going to go in activity main.xml, as you can see just right here. Okay, and I'm going to go just set up something in this edit text, and that's just a maximum length. As you can see, this is the attribute we're going to be using, and I'm just going to say that the maximum length will be 7, so just 7 digits. That would be probably enough for the yearly salary. And so I'm just going to go in main activity, and now I'm just going to run this application so that you can see the changes. And so we just have to wait until everything loads again, and as you can see, the string was truncated and we now have only 7 digits as maximum. And the reset, just below the reset, we have the text that's displayed accordingly with the maximum weekly changes. As you can see, the slider is just put at the maximum, and it just works perfectly. So that's what we wanted to have. And also make sure that you don't have your application crashing when you just use this rotate. So when you try to rotate, as you can see right now, our application changes, and it has a slight problem right here. As you can see, it doesn't look that nice, so we would prefer to just lock the screen when we do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right now and I'm gonna make sure that our application is okay. And so I'm gonna open this project view, and I'm gonna show you just in a moment how to change that problem. So we're gonna go in this manifests folder, and the file is called androidmanifest.xml. And so right now, where you see this activity, we're gonna go with the mouse cursor just right here before the Android attribute. And so I'm just gonna hit enter twice, and I'm just gonna type screen, and the attribute that we want to select is this screen orientation, and we're gonna set it to portrait. So we don't want our application to be in landscape mode, we just want to lock it to portrait so it doesn't change. And right now, if I just run the emulator again, you will see that it won't actually change the perspective when you rotate it. And so we just have to wait until our application is running. And so I'm just gonna go right now and use this perspective. As you can see, my application just keeps being the same. It doesn't change the perspective, and I can also type some numbers and slide this and it still works. Okay, and that's basically what I wanted to show you, that you just have to make sure that your application don't crash because you didn't change the orientation, and also you just want to make sure that you have a maximum limit set up in this edit text. So that's basically all that I wanted to show you, and thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you in the next one. So thanks for watching, and see you later on.